There it is. The spark gap randomly. And I decided to put a vacuum tube where the load would be right before the last ground here. And I've got the rectifier on the coil here connected to the vacuum tube. And the rectifier charging the capacitor bank. And the meter's going bonkers. I can't get a clear reading of what's coming in, even at the rectifier section, but it's keeping it going anyways, as you can see here. It's making sounds in the vacuum tube as well. And there's the coil assembly here. Same setup, ground here going to the cold water pipe. Cold water pipe down here. The other ground to my antenna ground. I'm still driving my meters bonkers here. Error, error. And this is on the DC rectified side that's essentially feeding this spark gap. And it seems like I'm getting much more bite using the vacuum tube, and it's spitting out a shitload of interference. Like, listen to this. Like, the whole AM band is being wiped everywhere. And I can get far away from it. It's like everywhere in the house. This noise. And this wasn't there before, just running like a light bulb as a load. So here's the spark gap.